What you doing?
Getting a pan. Why are you recording? You're gonna... Yeah.
Mm-hmm. You didn't close the cabinet. What you getting a pan for?
The grilled cheese, because we're poor.
Oh, okay.
Wait, it's not even for me. So. You know how to cook pickles? Like thin?
Cook pickles?
No. Cuts.
Oh, cut? I guess.
Like, we got whole pickles.
I don't like pickles, though.
I don't like pickles either.
So why are you going to make me touch the pickles if I don't like pickles?
Will you cut my pickle? Please? Cut my pickle. Wait, you don't have to cut it yet because I'm not making the grilled cheese yet. Here, take this. I don't want this. How do you make it? Wait, that was going to be a really dumb question.
Oh.
I was asking where they cut the cheese.
Okay, seriously, this cabinet's not closing.
What? Oh, that's because it's jank.
There it goes. You and your words.
It's more like a Minda word.
Minda?
Maybe butter. Do we have any butter? That is weird. You see it sitting out?
The butter? It's right there.
That's kind of ruined now because that's out. Ew, look what he did to it.
It looks nasty.
It's pumpkin bread. Or maybe use butter.
I'm gonna go stalk your Facebook.
Really?
Yeah.
Wait.
Oh, hey, let's go.
I hate these things. I always have to pull them up like this because they have like the drippy thing on it. So, do you want to help me butter some bread?
Nope.
This butter is disgusting, my friend. Look at it. Hang on. Hang on. Let me put some of that alcohol. Come here. Look at this bread. Look. Like, look how it spreads. Like, well, this one spreads better. But that one was all mushy and gross. Like,
That is
look
nasty.
at the texture. Like, look at that.
Ew. It's gross.
I'll pop this one. What's pickles on it? You need to put that pickle. Don't touch it. I don't want to touch your pickle. They're gross.
Please. I suppose.
Okay.
No.
I'll get it out if you cut it, okay? Oh.
This is
No, I don't want it
nasty.
to drip on me. That's so gross. I need to cut it thin, though. Ew, it feels so nasty. Like, I hate pickles, dude.
I'm not cutting anything.
I will shank you.
I eat
How do you
pickle
cut
juice,
it?
but
How
I'm
do you
not
cut
cutting
it thin?
I don't know.
Mom said thin slices, and I don't know how to cut a pickle thin.
Like that? The other way. Wait, oh, I don't know.
There's one that's kind of thin. My hands are freezing. This pickle is ice cold. No, that wasn't even a slice. That was like a chunk. See, I don't know. See that? I'm trying to make it come out like that. It didn't work.
That one's fine.
I need cheese. Ew, my hands are all...
Yep.
Are you serious?
Totally serious.
No, there's like a piece of, whatchamacallit? Do we have cheese? Yeah, have some cheese, too. Okay. Does he still date that one chick?
Nope. Seriously? Don't put the cheese on the bread.
I eat the corners off the cheese before I do that.
Weird.
And who does he date?
Nobody. I don't think so. I think he got back with her. I don't know. Let's go see.
Facebook is a terrible site.
Alright. Single. Huh? Yeah. Yeah.
Well,
Just put butter on it.
like this? Like this?
Mm-hmm.
I have to turn it on.
Yeah, that'd be smart.
I'm sitting here eating the cheese. I'm so unsanitary. Hey, Roxanne. How you doing? Look at me.
No. You know I'm distracted.
Bend over.
Wait, does this light work?
Oh.
Oh, that's nasty.
Let me see your butt. Bend over.
No. What the hell's wrong with you?
I gotta pee. That's on my hand, though. I gotta pee.
It's on. Oh. Mm-hmm.
Turn around and say hi,
No.
Roxanne. Say hi.
It's like up my nose.
I need water. Ew, I need some soap. I need some soap. I need some soap.
Go get some.
Oh, I need to take a shower.
What are you doing now? Why are you writing my name? That's not how you spell it. So you must be talking about something else.
No, I'm talking about you. I got you again.
Oh, it's so nasty.
Okay, ta-ta. See you later. Bye-bye. Say bye.